everyone. Let us discuss one question which is simple but very important because you will use the same concept in many questions, especially related to questions solved using laws of motion. So it is related to laws of motion and the concept is connecting bodies. So in case of connecting bodies, they will ask you sometimes tension in the string. So here the role of mathematics is sequence and series. Let's see, there are n number of masses like m, 2m, so on. All are suspended with different swings. Then find tension at any point of, they can ask you, or here they are asking find tension at point of suspension. Here they are asking the tension at point of suspension at this point. So for a vertically hanging system, tension at any point is total weight hanging from that point. Hanging from that point. If the system is in equilibrium. So from this point, so this is the point they are asking tension. From this, how much total weight is hanging? All the masses are there. So T equal to m plus 2m plus so on nm into g. So this is the total mass hanging into g, that is the total weight. So equal to m, if you take common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on n, equal to n into n plus 1 into mg. This is the total tension at the point of suspension. Suppose they are asking the similar kind of question, like one block is placed upon the each other. So one is placed upon the other one. So like there are n blocks. Then they may ask you like what is the normal reaction at the bottom. Such kind of question also they can ask. So there what you have to use is, in case of block upon block, normal reaction at any point is, or between any two surfaces is, the total weight above that surface. The total weight placed above that surface. That is the normal reaction. So understand, the total weight suspended from a point is called tension and the total weight above that point is called normal reaction. Two different situations. So the other situation is like this, so on. So try to take the difference and try to understand it. One of the important concept you will use in many other questions. Thank you.